It's a great day for couples painting with Patty and him at Patricia's Art Emporium. Welcome in, everybody. Hope you're having a great day. Welcome into our home. Hope everything's going well.
You finger painting?
I'm finger painting.
Looks like you're finger painting.
Oh, yeah. Just want to make sure we don't get those lumps there.
Oh, finger. No, like your finger.
Okay, so today we have a what size is
11 by 14.
11 by 14 canvas that John has put white paint on. What kind is it?
Artist Loft.
Artist Loft white with what kind of silicone did you use?
Hair serum.
The hair serum?
Yeah.
Okay, coconut milk?
Coconut milk.
Hair serum? Okay.
Smells good.
And we're gonna do a swipe.
Swipe.
We may do it a couple ways, we're not sure. We're just gonna have some fun.
Really?
So join in on the fun, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
Light up your spliffs. Oh no, that's a different song. That's a different guys, right?
Oh, you're bad.
That's those reggae concerts we used to go to.
Okay, you ready?
I am.
I'm just, this is paint that,
Leftover paint.
no, the end of some paint. The end of it, there's no more of it. It was dandelion.
Yes, I see.
Okay, so I'm just
You're
gonna
just gonna spread it around.
spread it around or just go
Dribble it.
dribble.
Oh, look at that. Well, that's a lot of dandelions. I think that's nice. I like that. It spells Y-O-U. It does from this direction.
Does it, yeah?
Yeah, you.
Y-O-U.
It's a you painting. It's a you painting.
It's my painting.
What does that say now? With the U? Oh, it doesn't say that. I thought it said, "Have a nice day, you."
What are you talking about? You're crazy. You're just a crazy wacko doodle.
Oh, that's pretty colors.
They are two pretty colors, and now they're gone. We don't have them anymore.
Now they're all gone. That was the end of them, huh? That's good. We have a lot of other colors.
We do. Okay. Now I'm going to use
What are you gonna use now?
this one.
Oh.
Too dark, you think?
What the heck?
Huh?
What the heck? You got yellow and green there. You might as well make some more green. As long as you're not going to use that color to make your Miami Dolphins.
No,
So
I'm
that's a
not.
lot of paint there.
You think that's going to be enough?
That's going to be too much.
Too much paint?
Too much blue.
Oh,
The
my
whole
God.
picture's going to be blue.
Okay, well, hold on.
Oh, you got more paints.
Something else on.
Okay, so put something else on.
Red, maybe?
Yeah, did you shake it?
I think I did.
Oh, good job.
Shake it again. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake
I like when you shake things.
it.
Oh, look at that. You watched me make some of those flower pictures, haven't you?
How's that?
That's nice.
Good? Too much? Too
No,
little?
I don't know. It's beautiful so far.
Except for that, too much of that blue, huh?
Well, we'll see.
See what you're saying.
We'll see. Oh, that's that nice metallic color. That's a nice color. Oh, that was a metallic red you put on there too, huh? Yeah, that's a nice.
Yippers. Okay, ready? Last color.
Last color.
Last call for alcohol.
Oh, now you're talking. I thought you wanted a martini before.
I did, but I don't want one now.
How
Okay.
about this one?
That's a dark one. You think so or no?
Prussian blue. Well, maybe a few little
Little
tiny
bit?
squiggles here and there. You got a lot of paint. Oh, that's good. Yeah, you got a lot of paint because that whole cup's full of the blue you're gonna swipe with.
Yeah, maybe we should just put that all over and then just swipe the
It's
whole
not
thing.
gonna work.
No?
No.
We got the white on underneath.
You had said if you wanted to swipe half this way and half that way. That's what you want to do.
Or this way, half that way, half that way.
Well, if you do it this way, you need a big long piece of cloth.
Okay.
And it's kind of hard, kind of unruly. But this way.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay. So.
Okay. So.
Let me get your tissues wet here for you.
Okay. You're gross.
Stop it. What kind of talk is that? Let me give him a little squirt.
I think we need a I think we need to burst some bubbles first.
Oh, good idea. Because that white is freshly squeezed.
Do I have to hold it?
No, you have to hold it.
I haven't done this in a long time, actually. So.
You got a lot of bubbles in there anyway. Don't get too close. Swell, looks swell.
Okay.
Sure you want to touch that? You don't want to just leave that like
No,
that?
I was looking at it saying, that's kind of interesting, but I could always do that again.
Oh, sure. Make it, it's easy. Anybody can do it.
What do you think?
I think it's fine. Now you can put your swipe color down.
Okay.
You have a lot of swipe color.
Put it on the whole thing?
You said you wanted
Put
to
it in
swipe.
the middle.
You wanted to swipe from the middle.
Yeah, so I
that
gotta
means you
put it
got to
in the
put half the
middle.
cup in the middle now, then the other half the cup in the middle later. No, or whatever.
Okay.
Unless you want to swipe from the top down.
All the way, what, just do it in one swipe?
Yeah.
Okay.
You sure?
Probably, yeah.
Okay. So where are you going to do it? Up there? You got to put it
Yeah.
up there all along the top, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep. Don't go too fast. You scared me. Oh, what a beautiful job you're doing. You're drooling off the edge for. And then we'll take the rag and put it over the edge there. And yeah, you're doing a fine job. Fine job.
Do we need any more? Or is
Yeah,
that
go,
enough?
keep pouring. Oh, I
Sure.
don't know, you got more left?
Yeah, but I think it's too much, don't you think?
Whatever you say, dear.
What do you
This
think?
is your picture. I'm just here holding the rag. I am. I'm holding the
All
rag.
right. Yeah, that's enough, I think.
Okay. Want me to swipe or you want to swipe?
I'll swipe. Since you said it's my
swipe.
picture.
Get it over the edge. There you go. Lay it down here. Lay it down. Touch it there for you. Get it stuck on some stuff. Okay, good luck. Don't let it go on the floor like I did before. Ooh, look at them pretty. Oh, look at that pretty colors. Need another canvas to put that rest of that paint on. Oh, nice. Keep it slow. Don't lift. Don't lift. Don't lift. Don't lift. Don't lift. There you go. Nice. Don't go over the picture. Oh, look at those pretty colors, huh?
Ooh, look at all that pretty stuff there.
There's a lot of pretty stuff.
We could dip
Dip.
that in it and do the sides with it.
You could do that. I think you got enough right there to dippity do that. Dippity do that. Oh. Try not to get it over the picture so you don't drip into the picture. Okay, hold on. How's that side? Fine job. Fine job.
I don't know if any of it's coming off there, is it? Shit.
Don't do that, whatever you do.
Oops.
You gotta get up here and then we're
Yo, stupid wind is blowing it.
Wind? There's no
Air
wind in
conditioner.
here. Oh, wind. You got it. Now.
Yeah, but look what I did there.
Oh, swipe it again. Swipe it the other way. You
With a different one?
Which is the wet side?
This is the wet side.
So it's got to go up here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Put it up there and swipe to you and see what you get. Keep it down, keep it so it goes. There you go. Beautiful. Think you did a fine job.
Think I gotta swipe here a little bit or no?
No.
Or swipe this way?
You already swiped that way. How many times do you want to swipe?
I'm a swiping. Oh, look how pretty those colors are there.
Looking good.
Wow, too bad I couldn't get that onto the sides. See it all there? It's so pretty.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay, guys. You sure we shouldn't swipe again for right there?
Do where? What do you want to do?
I don't know.
I don't know what you
Pull
want.
it so that there's no white there?
Pull what? Pull it from down here again, all the way back up?
No.
Oh, okay.
Okay, never mind. I hope you've enjoyed our video today. We had fun doing this. It was a pretty quick one. So thanks again for watching. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and bang that bell.
What's the bell?
Wherever it
Oh,
is.
bang the bell.
Put it back in there.
Oh, put it back there. Just bang the bell. There you go.
To get notified of new videos, share with all your friends, family, neighbors, co-workers, anyone that you know that wants paintings, wants to purchase some paintings. Check us out on eBay at Patricia's Art Emporium. Also, you can check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. This is Patty and him doing couples painting at Patricia's Art Emporium, saying thanks again for watching. Please remember to be kind to one another and make sure you enjoy every moment of every day. Peace.
Bye-bye.